Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add emojis in Outlook Mail. First, you have to open the Outlook application on your computer or laptop. You need to have Outlook 16 and Windows 10 for this feature. Click on the New Mail option and open a new mail in Outlook. You have to press Windows button plus semicolon on the keyboard. You get to access all the emojis in Outlook. Scroll down and view all the emojis and select any of them. You can select emojis by simply clicking on them. Go to the Insert tab on the top menu bar. Click on the Symbols option and select Symbols from the drop-down list. Click on View More to get to access to other symbols. You can select the subset by clicking on it and select. Select the font by clicking on it at the top. You will find different fonts here. Type emoji and select Edwardian script. In the script MD bold font, you will find different symbols to add. Click on the Insert button to insert the symbols in the mail. In the Segue Yule emoji font, you will find special symbols like emojis. Click on any emoji to add to your mail to look impressive. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.